Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll use the time-tested method of meditation, following our breath. This simple yet powerful tool can help us find a sense of calm and peace. Take a moment to find a comfortable seat on a chair or cushion. If you're on a chair, let your feet root into the earth. If you're on a cushion, allow your sitting bones to root deeply. Imagine you're being pulled up through the crown of your head, sitting tall without hardening your back. And take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to fully arrive in this moment. Now turn your attention to the opening of your nose. As you breathe in, notice the cool air as it passes through your nostrils. As you breathe out, notice the warmth of your breath on your upper lip. Inhaling cool breath at the tip of your nose. Exhaling warmth on your upper lip, and keep following the sensation of your breath as it enters and exits your body through your nostrils. Now gently turn your attention to your chest. Notice the instinctive rise of your chest as you inhale. Observe the natural fall of your chest as you exhale. Your chest rises and expands as you breathe in. Your chest settles and softens as you breathe out. Simply follow the natural rise and fall of your chest as you continue to breathe. Now gently direct your awareness to your belly. Notice if you can feel how your belly expands on your in-breath and how it releases on your out-breath. Breathing in, the belly swells. Breathing out, the belly relaxes. Again, simply follow your breath moving in your belly with each inhalation and each exhalation. Now return once more to your nostrils and see if you can follow your breath all the way through. Notice your inhale as it enters your body. Notice your chest rising, your belly expanding. And as you exhale, notice your belly relaxing, your chest falling, and the warmth of your breath on your upper lip. See if you can follow your breath all the way from the beginning of your inhale to the very end of your exhale. Where does your breath feel the most accessible? Do you notice it more easily at the opening of the nose, in the movement of your chest, or is it easier for you to feel it moving in your belly? Choose one of these 3 spots and simply observe the natural ebb and flow of your inhales and exhales as you continue to breathe. If you become distracted, let go of any judgments or labels and simply come back to your breath again and again. Have you ever noticed that when you're upset or agitated, your breath becomes quick and shallow? On the contrary, when you're feeling happy and relaxed, your breath flows with ease. Breath is such a simple and complex thing. Though it happens whether or not we are conscious of it, when we turn our attention towards it, our breath has the power to help us find calm, rootedness, and composure. When we meditate on our breath, our whole being benefits. It not only helps us relax our mind, it can also take the edge off our emotions and teach us how to relax our physical body. And though sitting down to meditate regularly is an extremely useful tool, turning to our breath can help us in any moment or situation. So the next time you find yourself impatiently sitting in traffic or waiting for the bus, Take a moment to feel your breath. Take a couple of deep inhales, noticing them pass through your nostrils, filling your chest and belly. Take a few complete exhales, allowing your belly to soften, following your breath out through your chest and nose. And notice how the simple act of paying attention to your breath can help you shift into a calmer space. And now, slowly bring your attention back into the room. Notice your body in space. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this meditation. Have a good day.